Good afternoon. My name is Pentit Sinopakun. I'm the president of the Thai Society for Biotechnology, and we is actually co-organizer with VNU. We hold the TSB International Forum 2014 between the 17 to 19 of this September. And we are the only one, I think we are the one of the society among another 10 society which co-organize and have an activity parallel with the Thailand Lab exhibition. And actually, personally, for the TSB International Forum, we are very impressive with this exhibition. Actually, we have joined the Thailand Lab last year, and we hold the TSB International Forum 2013. But in fact, the Thailand Lab 2014 is even bigger than in last year in 2013. And also, our activity in our society is also increasing. We have the number of participants more than last year. This year, we have like 9 invited speakers from 7 countries, and also we have about like 12 oral presentation, and we have about 40 posters presenting at this like activity. And I think this is really worthwhile. Not only the conference we also have the biotech outlet where 5 research organizations showing their products about biotechnology. And also this year we organized the International Collaboration Forum where we invited the heads of the biotech department from over the country come and have a networking with our invited speaker. So if you have chance to come to this event, I think it's really worth it. Not only the academics that you can join, you can see a lot of exhibition, and also they have like event in Asia, for example, Life Science Asia and other activity. It's all in one place, so please feel free to come. Thailand Lab 2014. เรียบร้อย